This lesson goes with 12.4 in Go Math on customary units of liquid volume. So what we do with this is we can sing the gallon song to help us remember the customary units of liquid volume. So a way to remember this is by singing this gallon song. It goes to the tune of Alice the camel has 2 humps, like that. Now I like to start with the quarts, and then it goes to pints and then cups, and then I also like to add the ounces because that goes to the cups. One thing to remember is that it doubles every time. So it goes from 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. So that's just a way to kind of remember how it works. So the gallon song goes like this, and sing it along with me once you get it. Okay, it starts with 4 quarts equal a gallon, 4 quarts equal a gallon, 4 quarts equal a gallon, so roll, baby, roll. And then you roll hands. Boom, boom, boom. 8 pints equal a gallon, 8 pints equal a gallon, 8 pints equal a gallon, so roll, baby, roll. Boom, boom, boom. 16 cups equal a gallon, 16 cups equal a gallon, 16 cups equal a gallon, so roll, baby, roll. Boom, boom, boom. 8 ounces equal 1 cup, 8 ounces equal 1 cup, 8 ounces equal 1 cup, so roll, baby, roll. Boom, boom, boom. I just added that 8 ounces because that's a good way to remember that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. Okay. Another way to do this is to look at measuring capacity with a gallon butt. So if you think about it this way, there's 1 gallon. Ooh. Okay, there's 1 gallon right here. And if you put all of these quarts, you would have 4 quarts equal a gallon, just like our song just said. Okay, and that's where these quarts come in, right here. Okay, and then if you were to take it apart even more, you'd see that 2 pints equal 1 quart, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 2 pints equal 1 quart, 2 pints equal 1 quart. So 2, 4, 6, and 8 pints equal a gallon, just like we just sang in the song. Okay, so then if you took it apart further, you'd see that 2 cups equal 1 pint right here. Okay, 2 cups equal 1 pint. So if you think about how there are 8 pints in a gallon and there are 2 cups in 1 pint, you can see that there are 4, 8, 12, 16, so 16 cups equal a gallon. Okay, so doing this, if we were to fill out this worksheet here, we would say how many quarts are in a gallon? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 quarts. Okay, and how many pints are in a gallon? Well, we can count the blue and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints equal a gallon. How many cups are in a gallon? Well, we can see there are 4, 8, 12, 16 cups. And then which is greater, a quart or a pint? Well, if we look over here, we can see that a quart is bigger than a pint. So which is greater, a quart or a pint? A quart is bigger. Then how many cups are in a pint? Well, if we look over here at the pint, we can see that there are 2 cups to 1 pint. 2 cups. Which is less, a cup or a pint? Okay, let's look over here again. I'll use my yellow for a pointer. So which is less, a cup or a pint? So if we look at a cup, is smaller than a pint. So which is less, a cup? How many cups are in a quart? Let's look over here at this section here. How many cups? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 cups are in a quart. So 4 cups. How many pints are in 2 quarts? Okay, so let's look. How many pints? Let's look at this yellow section again. How many pints are in 2 quarts? So if we look at 2 quarts, how many pints? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 pints. How many cups are in 3 pints? Okay, so let's look at these 3 pints here. 1, 2, and 3. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 cups. Which is greater, 8 cups or 1 quart? Well, let's go ahead and look at our leg cups here. So we have 8 cups, so 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 8 cups equal how many quarts? You can see up here that that would be 2 quarts. So which is greater, 8 cups or 1 quart? The answer would be, right, 8 cups. Okay, and then which is less, 4 quarts or 1 gallon? Well, this is kind of a trick question because 1, 2, 3, and 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So they are equal. That was a trick question. Okay, so this is an example of how you can measure capacity with GallonBot. If ever you're in this assignment where you're talking about customary units, you could use the GallonBot to help you with this. And just drawing a picture of this will help you to show your work and solve your problems. You'll do great.